Hello guys, welcome again. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy your TonCoin from your ByBit account. Yes, it's no news already. I'm sure by now you must have heard of the word TonCoin, right? There are a couple of coin out there. So I just want to treat the TonCoin in this video and how you can get your TonCoin from your ByBit account. Yeah, so the Ton ecosystem is something that is very popular out there now. Many of us that uses the Telegram bots game, like the case of the hamster, the Blum, and many other crypto game out there on the Telegram channel. So the Ton ecosystem is where you get to like connect your Ton wallet right to these games on the Telegram channel. So what I just want to do in this video is to show you how you can actually connect your how you can get your Ton coin directly to your Ton Keeper wallet. As you can see here on my phone, yeah, I have my Keeper already, right? I have my Keeper wallet and I have a couple of dollar there and a coin of 0.22 dollar. Yeah, as you can see on my Keeper wallet here, I have my coin already, worth 1.29 dollar. Yeah, so that's a 0.22 coin. So, but what I want to do is I want to show you how I'm going to move my assets now. I already made a video in my previous video how you can buy assets right into your ByBit account. So that's a video for. You can just look up the link above and just maybe later once you're done with this video then you can to get a full knowledge on that. So but what I want to do right now is I want you to understand how the Ton ecosystem work, right? And the reason why you need the Ton coin in your Ton Keeper wallet. Now there are a lot of Ton wallet out there that you can always download, but probably maybe in another video I'll create a video where I would explain the different wallet and the safest one you can always use, because trust me, there are hackers out there that your account may be prone to a whole lot of hackers, and if you're not careful, when you have the knowledge of the right wallet to use, it just makes your assets easily transferable and safe and secure, right? So maybe in another video I'm going to show you how you can do that, but here I just want to show you I'm using the Keeper wallet, and the reason why I'm using this is because it's one of the safest Ton wallet out there that you can have. Yeah, so you need the Ton wallets for the Ton coin basically for a lot of transfer. You like your gas fee. There's a lot of airdrop the games we have on the Telegram channel these days, and you just need to pay a little token like a gas fee in order to claim your token what you've mined at the end of the game. So which is why I want to show you now. There are a lot of games currently ongoing. I'm going to drop a link to some of the ongoing legit games that I know that you can partake in, that the airdrop will be coming soon, that if you can be a part of it as fast as possible, you can mine a whole lot of token, and before you know it, once it's listed, then you can actually get your airdrop. Yeah, so having said that, I'm going to show us how you can download the Keeper wallet in your app store. All you have to do is just search for the Keeper. So come to your app store and search for Keeper, and all you have to do is just download the Keeper. I already have it here, so that's why it's not going to download again. But once you download it, the next thing you need to do is to register. And in registering it, there's going to be a 12 key phrase, 12 to 24 key phrase, which you need to memorize and keep it safe. Now, the reasons why you need to keep this safe is because in future there might be times when you would need to recover your account, and if you don't have the key phrase, it's not nice because you lose your assets. So what I want to actually show you that is important here is the two important things is the send and the receive, right? So once you have the understanding of how this works, basically you want to send or you want to receive. So in this case, because I want to receive my Ton coin into my Ton Keeper wallet, so what I'm going to be doing is I'll go straight to my ByBit. So moving straight into the ByBit account, right? As you can see, I have 12 USD dollar here, and I have my USDT coin already purchased. So I made a video in my last video. I showed us how you can buy your assets via the ByBit account from P2P, right? So just a quick recap. All you have to do is come to the P2P trading here and click on it. You see a list of people who are willing to trade their USDT for your money. Like I said, the fiat and a cryptocurrency. So it's just an exchange. So if you have people that want to sell, you are willing to buy, just come here to your P2P and you can do that. But to get full in-depth knowledge on this, you can do it to check my last video so you can have the knowledge. So moving on, just come to the USDT here. How do I get here? I came to my assets, and under the asset, you come to your funding account. And from the funding account here, I want to move my USDT to my unified trading account. Now, the reason why I'm moving it out to my unified trading account is because I cannot buy my TonCoin from the funding account. I need it in my unified trading account. And I want to do that on the trading platform, right? So all I have to do first is to move, I want to transfer my USDT. So I'm going to be moving it from my funding account to my unified trading account. So all you have to do is just click on this switch. So it's going to be moving from the funding now to the unified trading account. And of course, yes, I'm moving my USDT. So I'm just going to put the amount here. For instance, I want to move, say, I want to move about 11 USDT account. Okay, let me move 12 USDT account. My 12 USDT. Now just click on confirm. So it's going to confirm your transaction. It's going to move it. As you can see now, it has deduct what I have here, and I'm having 0.41 USDT, and the transfer is completed. Now, if you want to confirm if what you did is actually, if it's there, just come to your unified trading account. So now, as you can see, you're in the unified trading account here, and here is the USDT that I just moved, right? So I have it in my unified trading account now. So what I want to do is to come to the trade. Now I want to go to my spot trade, right? That is where I want to buy my TonCoin. Remember, what we need is the TonCoin. I don't need the USDT, right? So what you have to do is click on this icon here, just search for Ton USDT, right? The first one, yeah, this is what we need, the Ton USDT, right? All right, good. Now, as you can see, we already have our Ton USDT selected here. So coming to this trading platform here, what you want to do is come to market, because that is where you want to buy your Ton market, right? So my value, I want to buy for 12 USDT, and for 12 USDT, I'm going to be getting 2.8 Ton for my 12 USDT. So I'm just going to click on buy. So now I'll confirm the order. I'm getting 2.08 Ton. So I'll buy Ton. So once I buy the Ton, now I'm going to have my TonCoin still in my unified trading account, right? So I'm going to show you guys how it's going to work. Because the next thing we want to do is to ensure that from our unified trading account, we want to move it out to our main trading account. So the next thing you want to do is to come to your assets and to confirm it in your unified trading account. So in your unified trading account, you will see the Ton that you've just purchased here. Now what we're given is 2.07 Ton, right? So now we already have it here, and the next thing we'll do from the unified trading account is to transfer it. So we're transferring it from the unified trading account now to the main trading account, our funding account, just like we did the first time. So now I'm going to select all because I want to move everything out. I'll click on confirm. So once I confirm that, as you can see, my total equity here has reduced and it says transfer complete. Now when you come back to your funding account, in your funding account, you are going to see your TonCoin there now. The same TonCoin that we've moved out from our unified trading account, as you can see here, is the first thing you see here. And our USDT has reduced because we use the USDT to purchase the TonCoin, right? So this is how you can buy your TonCoin. So now this is not the end of the journey. Don't forget where we need this TonCoin is in our TonKeeper wallet. So remember, the next thing you have to do is come back to your TonKeeper wallet and you click on receive. So once you click on receive, you will copy out your code. Once you have copied out your code, you want to paste it here. So what you do is to click on withdraw, because we want to withdraw out our money. Now we are selecting Ton because we are withdrawing the TonKeeper, the TonCoin. Don't forget. So you're going to paste your address here. Once you've pasted the address here, the claim type, we are claiming Ton. So the transaction fee, just click on confirm, move on. Now the transaction fee as given is 0.1 Ton. That's the transaction fee you are paying. So we are moving out all the Ton coin we have in our ByBit account. So you click on confirm. So just click on submit. So a verification code will be sent to the email. Just click on send verification code. Then the next thing you want to do, I'm using a two-step verification method, which is my Google two-factor authentication. So just copy the code also. It's all for verification. So you click on next step. So now just click on confirm. So now as you can see now, we have transferred out our USDT, our TonCoin, and what we have, our total equity here is just 0.41 US dollar. So I'm going to refresh my TonKeeper wallet to be sure I've received my TonCoin. Now as you can see, I've received my TonCoin here in my TonKeeper wallet, and this is how you buy your TonCoin on the ByBit trading account. So from here moving on, you can just pay for any gas fee on the Telegram bot game, your Hamster Combat, your Blom, whichever one have you that you are currently farming or that is up for listing. So guys, that'll be all for today. Don't forget, always click on the notification icon and subscribe to this channel if you are really learning from this channel. And don't forget, I'm only trying to grow this community. I'd love you to be a part of it. Please kindly click on the subscription button. Let's grow this channel together. And if you need any information or any question, don't forget, you can always drop in the comment section. So I look forward to having you again in my next video. Thank you guys.